Yay! Good afternoon, everybody! Karon, we are making a herbal tea. Herbal tea meaning I already made this. Ano ba? Ayan. Ano yan siya? Ginger. Slices of ginger. Fresh ginger. And then, I already started to put the, ayan. Butangan na ako honey. I'm making a lemon, ginger, garlic. So, mauna ni siya. Ako na siyang gibutang din ha. So, kani siya mga garlic. So, ibutang na to ang garlic. Then ha, siya ibutang siya. And then, butangan na ako butangan din ako gano'n. Wait. So, here we go. And then, I will add more honey. Yan. Okay. I tried it and it's very healthy and it's very tasty. Even for how many minutes only that I mix the raw honey and the ginger and the garlic with the lemon. I tried, but it's so nice and so tasty. So how much more if this will, I will keep it for 7 days or 5 days, much more tasty. So try in your home. This is a home remedy, natural remedy, good for your health and good benefits. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.